Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to make the video in reverse mode in Filmora. If you want to make your video reverse in Filmora and how you can do that. So first you need to import your media to the timeline by clicking this plus icon and adjust on the timeline. First play the video and check that the clouds are moving from right to left. Now how you can do that, left to right. Select the video and then on the right side you will see that there is a video color and speed mode. You need to click on the speed mode and just a little below you will see that there is a reverse speed. You need to turn on this option and now play it, and now you can see that the clouds are moving from left to right. So if you want to increase the speed of these clouds, you can see that there is a speed option. You can increase the speed from 1 to 2, and you can also see that the fast speed is 2x now. Now let's play it, and this is what you can see, that the speed is increased. So in this way you can easily reverse the video mode in Filmora. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.